Welcome to Business Anywhere, an Android app that makes lots of information about 50 countries around the globe, as well as the content of a 470-page book on global business available right on your phone or tablet. All of the content is accessible right from the main screen. I'm showing this on an Amazon Kindle here. Later, you'll also see how it looks on a phone. The free Business Anywhere app includes extensive quick facts about each of the 50 countries it covers. There's a lot available here. Information about time zones and current time, an up-to-date weather forecast for the largest cities, currency and live rates of exchange data, demographic data, and numerous business indicators from average incomes to hours worked, from the country's global competitiveness rank to how long it takes to import and export. Maybe you want to know more about the data and its source? Just tap on the info field to get that. For most data fields, you can also tap on the yellow text for a link to a website giving you more information, as with the exchange rates in this example. In case of the weather, you can even get to a website showing you a forecast for just about every city in the country. Each screen rotates, so you can work with your preferred orientation. But let's go back to the main screen. It offers much more information about the country, which we'll explore in a minute. I can use this field here to call up additional options, from a quick guide to the app's preferences, which allow you to set font sizes, pick your default currency, or switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit temperatures. As I mentioned, quick facts are available for all 50 countries. How do you call up a different one? Very simple. Tapping on the country name at the top calls up a menu where you get to choose which one to display. Let's call up China. As you see, I again get all the quick facts information, but this time the other country-specific information is grayed out. For a small fee, you can activate other regions, even the whole world, with just a few taps. Let's say I work with China and I'm interested in other countries in Asia and Australia. I select China in the country menu again, confirm that I'd like to activate it, and get to purchase the region package from Amazon or Google, depending on where you got the app. It's simple, and you can get it for much less than a book would cost you. Here's what you get. Hints on what's most important when doing business in the country, an executive briefing, a summary of the latest trends, and detailed chapters on many subjects, from a brief historic overview to communication practices and conversation caveats, meeting practices, naming and greetings, gift-giving rules, negotiation and decision-making, to the role of contracts, and much more. Here, by the way, is how the app looks on a phone. Since you can always adjust the font size, Business Anywhere works well on just about any Android device. Business Anywhere is based on the 2012 book The Global Business Guide by Lothar Katz, a comprehensive reference for effective interactions in international business. It covers the 50 most relevant business destinations across the Americas, Europe, Asia and Australia, as well as the Middle East and Africa. If you are doing business in any of these countries and regions, download this app to your phone or tablet right away.